Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs in your browser, preferably Chrome, and either create a new blank document or open an existing one. Now once you're inside the document, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Table and select the number of rows and columns you want. For example, let's choose a 3-row table with a few columns. The first row can be for headings and the rest can be for your data. Once the table is inserted, go ahead and type in your content. After that, if you want to color a specific row, let's say the header row, simply click and highlight the entire row. Then right-click on it and from the menu that appears, hover over Table Properties. Panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. Here, scroll down to the row or cell section and you'll see an option for Cell Background Color. Click on the color box, choose the color you want for the background, like blue or yellow, and you'll see the color applied instantly. You can repeat this process for other rows or individual cells. Just click the cell or drag over multiple cells, right-click, and set their background color in the same way. You can use different colors to visually separate sections or categories of data. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this.